747. Let's get into this. Officials in Bucks County are suing social media giants, and you know who the giants are, that they say are responsible for the mental health crisis and breakdown affecting children who live in the county. And these suits are being seen at counties all over America.
So the giants are TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat. They are all named in the class action lawsuit, which was originally filed in California.
Yeah.
Officials say these companies are the reason why young people are suffering from anxiety, depression, a poor self-image, and more.
Okay, Bucks County Commissioner Bob Harvey says, for too long, these companies have exploited our children. Welcome to Good Day Philadelphia. Thank you for doing this.
Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning. So I'm kind of with you on this, and Bucks County is not the only county that's going to do this. You talk about an uptick in behavioral issues. What are you talking about?
Well, I think it's something not just in Bucks County, but certainly all across the country. There's a lot of evidence of the kind of anxiety, depression, negative self-image, which you already mentioned, that teenagers, especially and younger kids, are facing. They're experiencing this kind of pressure, experiencing these kinds of emotions. It's definitely having an impact on their ability, whether it's in school or socializing with others, and we have a serious concern about it.
And tell us about, because even specifically, you guys have done screenings on some of these students. What were some of the results, and what did you learn from that about just how bad it's gotten?
Well, I mean, it's certainly something that's, when you combine it with the other issues going on around the world, certainly with the pandemic and issues happening in this country, we're seeing a generation that we're really concerned about their mental health right now. We're concerned about what it's going to mean for their future, for the future of this country. We want to make sure that we are trying to stay as ahead of it as we can. We have been monitoring issues like this for a long time. Counties are responsible for providing mental health services. So this is something that's affecting not just Bucks, but counties across Pennsylvania and across the country.
And specifically, though, I was alluding to for screenings for the 2021-2022 school year, 34% of school-age youth were at risk for moderate to severe depression, and 40% were at risk for significant anxiety, and more than a quarter of school-age youth had a history of suicide ideation.
It's horrible. But how do you prove that it's social media is the cause?
Well, I think what we are hoping to find once we get into discovery with these cases is that we believe we're going to see, and I think this has been shown in other places too. I believe the Seattle School District has also looked into this. They may have kicked off all of this, that these companies have developed algorithms that are designed to keep young people, especially, who are so impressionable, fixated on these devices, fixated on these apps. And it's taking them into this sort of spiral downward, where it's causing them to really have very negative self-image and everything else. So it's we feel we're going to find that. We liken it to tobacco companies, the way they manipulate levels of nicotine.
Get them hooked.
And you find that out, of course, once the memos come out and emails come out that have been shielded for so long.
So the suit is saying that they have gone out of their way to really try to get kids hooked on whatever their platform is.
Yeah, because obviously these companies make money through advertising. So the more views they get, the longer they keep people on these apps, the more they can charge for advertising.
And reportedly, you guys would be the first county to hop on to this lawsuit in the country. And what are you hoping that this will do? You're hoping that maybe it'll hit them hard enough where they'll change their ways? You're hoping that maybe some of the money can be helped for more programs to help our students?
Well, both of those things. The first thing we want them to do is just stop, this kind of behavior. For the sake of kids, we want to make sure they stop using these algorithms, stop trying to keep kids addicted to these applications.
So to clarify, you don't want it to go away, because obviously, I mean, that would be hard to do. You're just saying it's a certain algorithms and things that keep you going back.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, these, certainly the county and other people, obviously news agencies and professional sports teams, all kinds of people use these applications to give out information. We think they have the value in terms of being able to disseminate information about everything, really, and for people to learn. There's a positive side to all of this, but if it's used negatively, it has a negative impact, and we're seeing that.
This is this is quite a task that you've taken on here. I mean, this is not going to be easy to prove, but you know that. Well, keep us updated.
And we know that there are effects, and something has to be done.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm glad somebody's doing something. Thank you. Commissioner
thank
Bob
you.
Harvey. You got it. We'll be right back.